Hey my friend, Dylan Navazio here, and I want to welcome you to the Wi-Fi wealth system review video. Now, in this review video, what I'm going to be going over is exactly, what the Wi-Fi wealth system is. Do I believe it's profitable, and how easy is it to set up? So, first things first, what is the Wi-Fi wealth system? So, the Wi-Fi wealth system consists of multiple income streams set up in a free system that anybody can go through and set up. Now, what this system does is it combines CPA marketing, it combines instant commissions, and it also combines residual income all at the same time. So what you're going to receive when you get access to the Wi-Fi wealth system, if you guys want to get access to the Wi-Fi wealth system, you can click the link below this video and set up your free wealth system. Now, what this is going to do is as you start generating leads, they're going to pay you $1.50 for every lead that you can generate inside of the system. So this is very powerful. Now, that's not the only income stream. You're also going to have MCA, which is Motor Club of America. They have an amazing track record. They've been around since 1926, I believe. And with MCA, you're going to receive tons of benefits, hotel discounts, travel discounts, dental, eye discounts, all sorts of discounts, which they're going to go over in the video training of the system. But what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to receive $80 commission. So now remember, we're going to receive $1.50 per lead. Now, if that lead decides to sign up to MCA, you're going to receive an $80 commission as well. Now, what is the key to success online? Well, if you don't know, it's email marketing, and they've thrown that in there as well. So you're going to be able to grow your email marketing subscriber list absolutely free. You're going to be able to integrate it with the Wi-Fi wealth system, and they're going to show you how to do that leveraging the #1 recommended, autoresponder, which is Aweber. That's what I use. That's what all the top marketers use. Aweber is, it's solid. It's been around for a while, and you'll be able to earn 30% commission. So now let me recap on that just in case you got lost. You're going to be able to receive $1.50 per lead. Then you're going to be able to receive $80 commissions when they sign up to MCA. And then you're going to receive 30% commissions from Aweber, which I'm telling you, once you get, 10, 15, 20 people into the system, you're going to be earning a lot of income, and it's going to accumulate over time. And now if we just jump over to my screen here, I want to show you my stats in not even 24 hours. I haven't sent any paid traffic to it. I do have paid traffic on the way, but this is just from free marketing. Inside of the Wi-Fi wealth system, as you guys see here, I got just under 100 clicks so far. Let me actually refresh this page so you guys can see it live. Okay, so we got 99 clicks, 28 opt-ins, and 21 new registered members. So that is insane, guys. That's, the results from this system are amazing. Now, what you're going to receive is they've set everything up, in 10 simple steps. So you're going to be able, step #1, once you click the button below this video, they're going to walk you through step 1 to 10, and you're going to get your very own system. Now, you're going to get a link like this, which you're going to in return be able to promote. Now, if you decide to join my team, what I'm going to be giving you guys is I'm going to be giving you guys some of my secret traffic methods. Inside of the Wi-Fi wealth system, they're going to show you how to leverage solo ads and, get very cheap clicks and conversions. We actually have some people, if we go over here into the training, bonuses, and resources, what we're going to be able to see here is, Ashley's $325 a day, Jackie's $200 a day, right? So there is people, and this system's brand new. This system's only been out for a week or two, right? So you're going to get access to it before anybody else. All you got to do is click the link below this video. If you're inside of Canada and the USA, this is for you. This is going to be your money maker. As you guys see, it converts really, really well. And what I'm also going to do is inside of the description below this video is my Facebook group. I want you to join that Facebook group because inside of that group, I'm going to be launching a training page. I'm going to be going over how I get free leads from Facebook, how I grow my Pinterest, my Instagram, I'm going to be giving away my Bing ads campaign as well. So this is a system that you want to set up. You want to go through, set up your Wi-Fi well system, join the group, and just, drop a comment, on one of the posts or whatever and say, hey, Dylan, I set up my Wi-Fi well system. Can you help me get traffic to it? And I'll send you off some information and some training so that you can start getting both free and paid traffic to the system. So I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I know it was pretty short and sweet, but that's what this system is. You can go through and you can have it set up in under an hour, and you can be profiting from this system, as you guys see here, within 24 hours. I've already got 21 registered members from only 100 free clicks. So this system is badass. You want to check it out. Hit that link in the description below. Set up your free Wi-Fi well system. If you're already an MCA member, this is for you. If you're already an AWeber member, you can set this up. All you got to do is just, follow through the steps. It'll be super simple. You just plug in your information and you're good to go. So thank you for watching this video. Again, click the link below if you want to get started, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's training. Have a great day.